We're back in PLP's Research and Development Lab to discuss the impact resistance of fiber optic closures and how they are tested to ensure they meet or exceed the GR771 core standard. For a closure that's installed in an outside plant network, there's a high likelihood that it will experience some form of an impact after it's deployed in the environment. So, to simulate the stresses that may be subjected to the closure in the event of a foreign object impact, a few different tests are performed. For buried and underground closures, a drop impact test is performed to ensure that the closure can withstand the various types of impacts it may encounter. For instance, coming into contact with the side of a manhole during installation. To simulate these types of impacts, the closure is secured in a fixture and an impactor is dropped on the sides and the top of the closure. For aerial and indoor-outdoor wall mount closures, a pendulum test is performed to ensure the closure can withstand impacts it may sustain while deployed in this type of environment, such as bird strikes or other potential flying objects. To simulate these types of impacts, a closure is fixed to the pendulum test stand and an impactor is released to strike the side of the closure. A passing grade on these tests means that the closure did not exhibit any mechanical damage. However, damage to replaceable components that will ultimately not cause service disruptions is permitted. It's also worth noting that all the closures are tested in their installed state and utilizing mounting hardware provided by the manufacturer. Again, it's all about simulating real-world scenarios in a controlled laboratory environment. Thanks for watching PLP's Fiber Tips and Tricks. If you missed any of our fiber optic closure specification videos, be sure to check them out.